Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will discuss about the modify section, split face, split body and silhouette split. Sometimes as per our application, we need to split the face. Similarly, we have to split the body. So how can we do it? One by one I will explain here. Here I will create a box with the help of box command. Let's say I created it. Now if we wanna split this particular body into two parts. For that, we will create a mid plane. For that, we have to choose mid plane. We have already selected that mid plane command, and then we have to provide the two planes. Press OK, then it will create a mid plane. After that, from here, you can split the face. So let's say first I explain how to split the face. So as I choose the split the face, it will ask about the faces to split. Let's say I put here this, and this, and the splitting tool or splitting tool is this mid plane. As I press OK, you can see here that all the faces is split into two parts. Now the next is split body. How can we use it? So as we select split body, it will ask again body to split. Yes, I select it. Then it will ask about the split tool. So as I provide here split tool. So as you can see here in body section, there is two body right now. One is this and another one is this. Press Ctrl Z to undo all the commands. Now next I will explain silhouette split. For that, I will create one more body by using extrude command. So here I am creating a circle. Then finish the sketch. Now extrude it. As I choose the operation join, it will create a single body. So as you can see here, this is a single body. But we want to separate these two body. So for that, choose silhouette. So it will ask about the view direction. Select this one and then the target body. So it is our target body and split faces only, split shelled body, split solid body. These are three options available in this silhouette split. So as I choose that split shelled body and as I press OK, so you can see over the silhouette split command splitted this body into two bodies here, body 1 and body 2. Like you can see, this one is body 2 and this one is body 1. Now I provide some appearance so that you can easily recognize the bodies. So this body in yellow color is body number 1 and body in blue color, this body in blue color is body number 1. So with this silhouette command, you can split a body into two separate bodies in this way. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel